Just so you know, this is a real...
Hi guys, today's video I've got 4 projects for you. The first project is 2 small projects that I've actually combined into one. The second project is a piece of artwork, and the third project is my favorite. It's very simple, but it's made an ugly cooler that I keep in the back garden actually look almost attractive. And the fourth project is a piece of decoupage that I've never done before, so I hope you enjoy it. This project is a thrift shop find. I paid $1.50 for it, and I'm taking my inspiration for this makeover from a small vase. It was rectangular in shape from Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to see if I can replicate it on here. So let's go. Firstly, I'm going to give this vase 2 coats of the linen white chalk paint. This next project was a thrift shop find. Now, when I purchased this, I had a specific idea in mind, but I've changed my mind since then. So originally what I was going to do was go to dollar store and buy the little round balls and hot glue them onto the bottom to make little feet, and then I was going to paint it and use it as a little bathroom riser. You know, put some lotions and some soap. Now, I've done recently a bathroom riser already, so I kind of was like, I want to do something different so I can show you a different type of inspiration. And as I sat here, I thought maybe I could use it as a set. So I would sit this here and put maybe a little candle here. So the design that I'm going to paint on here, I'm going to bring onto this also. So it kind of looks like it's a matching set. So let's go. So again, I'm going to use my trusted little chalk paint here to give it a coat. Probably again, it's going to need 2 coats. This I turned upside down so it could dry. It's pretty much dry, so I'll go ahead and give this a second coat too. piece of art that I think any anyone can achieve. You don't have to be an artist to do this. Now, I did see this on someone else's YouTube, and I don't remember who it was. I think it was Jose's, and I'm going to link his channel below. I love his channel. He's so funny when he does projects. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to do this piece of art. Hopefully it will come out, because I'm going to do a bit of a refresh in the living room. Okay, firstly I'm going to do the edges with this gold paint. If I can get the lid off. As you can see, one coat is very patchy, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a second coat. Okay, so I've chosen my 4 colours. I've got a black, a blue, a white and a silver. I'm only going to be putting a little bit of silver in, and afterwards I'll add a touch of gold. The first thing I'm going to do is give it a coat of white. Need my paintbrush, don't I? And I may have to do some touch up around the edges. Ta-da! Right, let's give this a go. Okay, so just so you know, this is a really messy project. I've got paint all over my hairdryer, and I was busy painting here. I splashed paint. I got a little bit on the wall here, and I've also got splashed some on my project that's sitting here. So just be warned, this is a really messy project. Okay, so this is pretty much dry. It's not completely dry, but as you can see, I went all around the edges. So now I'm going to go around and top up. It's probably going to take 2 or 3 coats to get this all nice and neat again. So yeah, next time I would not do the edges first. So let me jump on this and get this done. This is my next thrift shop piece. You may remember this from one of my thrift hauls a while ago. It's wood. It has 2 little picture hooks on the back, so I can hang it up, but I may not be able to use that for the outside because I want to hang it on my stucco wall that's in my back garden. Now I love the dark colors in here because it is actually going to go up on like a mid brown colored wall, so I want it to stand out. So I think I'm going to take this to a dark brown color and maybe add some black accents. So let's mix up some paint color. So this paint I bought from Michael's. It's acrylic paint, and then this one is just a cheapy old paint that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So hopefully these will mix well together and it will be the colour that I envision. Oh, that looks like chocolate. So guys, this here is my cooler, my drinks chest. We put our ice and our drinks in here, and it's kind of bland looking, so I thought I would hang this behind it just to jazz it up a bit, give it a little bit of interest. And then this container up here was a thrift find that I made over a couple of videos ago. It was kind of green and brown, and well, it was kind of ugly, so I made this over, stuck in a couple of plastic ferns, and now once ugly cooler doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I'm really happy with this little makeover. And just so you know, I do seal everything that's outside. I spray it. I'll go get the can and show you what I seal it with. Okay, here's another thrift find. This was $6. I know what I'm going to do with it already. I've already done a similar tray. It was a circular tray. So this time I'm going to do slightly different colour and a slightly different painting technique. So first of all, I have to paint the entire thing black. I've chosen this classic noir chalk paint. I've never used this brand before, so we're just going to jump right in and give it a go. Okay, straight off the back. This doesn't look like it's black to me. This looks grey, but I'm going to roll with it. Okay, first coat is on and I am shook. This to me does not look black. It does kind of look black on the video. However, it is a blue toned dark grey and it definitely says noir. I went to Dollar Tree this morning. I found these really pretty, so I'm going to open them up, see what we got and place them on the tray, and hopefully the Mod Podge will work to glue them on. Okay, so I like this layout. Now I'm going to keep my fingers crossed and hopefully this Mod Podge is going to stick this down. So I've covered the whole thing in Mod Podge now, so let's see if it dries completely clear. Here is the nearly finished tray. I'm in a hurry to get this video edited. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet over here, but I'm really shocked that it's dried so clear and shiny. I'm really happy with this. This is the first time I've ever decoupaged anything, and I was a little worried because these butterflies are not that thin. They're quite cardboardy, but it worked. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think it's really pretty. And I love the colour combination too. Now, there are some other butterflies too. There was this green set, and then there was like a brown bronzy coloured tones set. But overall, for a first attempt for decoupaging, I'm actually really happy with this. And I'm definitely going to give it another go on something else, but maybe some thinner material, maybe some napkins or something I might use next time. Yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you have stuck around to the end, thank you so much. Please consider giving the thumbs up and subscribing. I think today I'm now at 229 subscribers. I'm still trying to hit that magic 1,000 though. And also, don't be shy, leave a comment because I will get back to you. I love reading everyone's comments, so yes, leave a comment, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and I will see you later in the week with a vlog. Okay, thanks for watching.